ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಐ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್
ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ NH4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, my lord. It's just a small, just a 20 feet road, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ.
The offence alleged under section 106 clause 1 and 285, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is arraigned as accused number 1 during the time of charge sheet, my lord. The allegation against
No representation, why?
my lord, last time there was no sitting in this
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
My lord, by the time I was reached, my lord, it was
Matter had reached.
Yes.
Yes. But ಏನ್ pleading ಇದು? You are a God fearing person, I would not commit any crime. ನಿಮ್ ಮೇನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅದೇನೆ. ಕ್ರೈಮೇ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ. Everybody are God fearing.
Apologize, my lord. My lord, the only allegation against the present petitioner, my lord, he has parked his vehicle before his house, my lord. The deceased child, my lord, he ran and came and dashed the vehicle and fallen down to the moving vehicle, which was next to the parked vehicle, my lord. That is
next to the parked vehicle.
ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿತ್ತು?
The vehicle was moving, my lord. That is goods vehicle.
ನಿಮ್ದು goods vehicle?
Not goods vehicle, my lord.
Parked vehicle.
Parked vehicle, my lord. The child was fallen down under the goods vehicle, my lord.
He has parked his vehicle on a footpath. The
I
child was.
ಈಗ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ MVC claim.
No, they already claim has been made, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ yes.
His vehicle is the one which fell on the child.
Before notice
footpath
only.
ಇರೋದು parking.
Sorry, my lord.
Footpath ಇರೋದು parking.
Not footpath, my lord.
ಮಧ್ಯದ ರೋಡ್
In front of gate, I parked my vehicle, my lord.
ಅದೇ matter of evidence.
My lord, there is no negligent acts done by.
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ negligent act ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
My lord, just parked my vehicle, my
Just
lord.
park ಅಲ್ಲ, only park. Yes.
Normally, my lord, vehicles will be parked in before front of the house, my lord.
Friend of the house.
Yes, my lord, it is my house, my lord. And even I only have given.
ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
My lord, I can present the video of the just 5-second video, my lord.
5-second video.
Yes, my lord, this is. Even I only given the CCTV footages for the police personnel, my lord. If I haven't not given the CCTV footages.
ನೀವು ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Vehicle gate ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, Jagdish.
Lordship, see, we have photographs also. Vehicle was parked on the footpath and child was walking there.
Goods vehicle is run over.
Vehicle hit this
ಇವ್ರದೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Goods vehicle hit this vehicle and then
Goods vehicle moving, my lord.
Goods vehicle
Was moving, just moving.
just moving.
Yes, my lord. The ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, my lord. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಪಘಾತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡು. One additional SPP 2 emergent. Complaint ಯಾರು?
Complaint is mother of
ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes. Compensation claim ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಈಗ?
ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
We have not given before, after issuing notice only the insurance company and petitioner have settled the matter.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
5 lakhs they have paid, my lord.
ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
We haven't paid any amount.
You also have to pay. Only then I will close this.
My lord,
Child life of a child is lost.
my lord, the reason for arraigning me as accused, my lord, the goods auto does not having a insurance. That's the reason they have arraigned me as an accused, my lord.
parking on the footpath also is a lesson, I think.
ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ NH4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, my lord, it's just a small, just a 20 feet road, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. After vacation.
Please.